and I am totally obsessed with bags, and I hope you are too. I imagine if you're watching this, you are as well. I am doing this quick unboxing from my office. I have a box from The Real Real to open. It's not as an elaborate of an unboxing as my traditional unboxings that are straight from the store. So The Real Real is a consignment site. It is generally the only one that I use. I have a lot of advice about how to use it, what to look for, tips and tricks. So maybe I'll do a whole little YouTube on that, although then you all would become my competition in the search for good deals on good bags. But I don't know what's in here. There is even a chance that it is shoes and not a bag. I'm waiting for a bag, and I'm waiting for some shoes, waiting for some sunglasses. This feels like it might be a shoebox, so it might not be a bag. We can only dream. So your butterfly box, it is a simple UPS box. Oh, it's not shoes, guys. So this is the first thing that we see. We know what that means. It is a Chanel bag. So a great thing about ordering from The Real Real is I trust their quality. I trust their authentication. One that you can't return bags and you don't exactly know what you're getting. So I am a big advocate of only buying bags that you know exactly what you're getting, or if you've seen or tried the exact bag that you're going to get, and then read the description closely in regards to the quality. Now, this is a bag I have not seen. I've been searching for a pink sequin Chanel bag because I often have what I call reverse buyer's remorse, which is when I wish I had bought a bag that I did not actually buy. And there was a bag, I was about to go to Amsterdam, and I went to the Chanel store here in Phoenix, and there was a gorgeous pink sequin bag, and I could not justify it. I bought a different bag, a bag that's one of my favorites, my pink cocoa. And then a week later, I was like, that was a big mistake. Not that my pink cocoa was a mistake, but I'm like, I should have bought that pink sequin bag. Like, that bag is only going to go up in value. There's a very limited number. And sure enough, it was gone. And then I called every single Chanel store in the area. I asked them to search for me. It was out at Saks. It was out everywhere. I then went to Amsterdam, and I did get a sequin Chanel bag, but it's a navy blue, black and white, very pretty, but I've been looking for a pink sequin Chanel bag since. So let's see if this lives up to my hopes and dreams. I don't know, you guys, I'm a little nervous. It's like when somebody's watching you open presents. Okay. Ooh. She is a part of my work wardrobe, but this will look great as an evening bag. Little top handle. You also have the bigger strap. You can even tuck all of that in and carry it, of course, with any of the Chanel bags. So I can't wait to start styling this with outfits and take some going out this weekend. So maybe I will bring it out then, and we will see how it goes actually out in the wild. There it is, my pink sequin Chanel bag. Very, very pretty, very pretty. And very sparkly, which, you know, is never a bad thing. So with that being said, I hope to see you soon unboxing another bag and showing you more of my closet. So until then, I'll be obsessed with my bags, and I hope you are too, and see you soon.